recent years, strange talk has become mainstream.
We are probably one of the last generations of Homo sapiens.
The end of humanity, ushered in not by pandemic, nuclear war or climate change, but by the machines.
Let's look at AI because specifically the risk that could lead to the extinction of humans.
All of this is headed towards a post-human paradigm on planet Earth.
What's freaking people out is that the warning comes from the scientists, engineers and CEOs who are creating AI themselves.
The percentage of intelligence that is not human is increasing. And eventually, we will represent a very small percentage of intelligence.
And the idea that just because 4 tech barons who run the big Silicon Valley companies, they want a world where most people are made redundant, 99% will be useless, and somehow you have to keep them busy because otherwise they'll rebel, is forgetting that this amazing planet is waiting for 100% human beings to come to the service of the earth and each other.
So let's have a closer look at this story of humanity.